Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. When was the last time you talk personal with God? Yung heart to heart. Ama sa anak, anak sa ama. Yung kwentuhan na walang filter, walang sugar coating and all. Just plain prayer and conversation. You know, as I was reflecting in our gospel today, I just asked myself this question: kailan nga ba yung huli? And I was drawn to my experience last Saturday. After my last Mass here, we went directly to my new assignment in San Roque Parish. Sinamahan po nila ako, naghatid, inayos yung mga gamit ko. And in the afternoon, nag-aayos pa, pagsapit ng gabi, when everything was dark, everything was silent, and I was all alone, I just went down to the main parish and prayed. Wala na eh. Tahimik na. At ako na lang mag-isa. And I talked to the Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, Ikaw nang bahala. I do not know what to expect. I have many fears. I have many doubts. Pero, Ikaw na po. After all, this is your church. And I'm just your steward and your shepherd. Dear brothers and sisters, maybe you have felt the emotion in our gospel today. Yung gospel po natin ngayon, not about a parable, not a miracle, not a healing story, but a very personal prayer of Jesus to the Father. Personal na usap, personal na dasal, personal na kwentuhan. And Jesus is talking again personal with the Father now that He is going to ascend to Him. A very heartfelt prayer, a deep prayer. Tayo po, kayo, kailan yung huli niyong kwentuhan sa Diyos na very personal? Yung walang filter na dasal. Kasi may mga times and tendencies po tayo na ganun, hindi ba? Yung isu-sugarcoat pa natin para magandang pakinggan ng Diyos. But see, even before we come to prayer, the Lord already knows what's in our hearts. And so, kailan po yung huli? Maybe it's good to revisit this because the Lord loves a simple and honest heart. Simple and honest heart. And He wants us to come to Him personally, honestly, and deep from our hearts. Amen.